I like your jacket.
Yeah,
thank you.
good.
You know, gold.
Yeah.
And your jeans. Show me
yeah.
the jeans.
Oh yeah. Pose.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, Topeka High School. I'm Addison.
And I'm Amari, and this is your THS Morning Report.
I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black stripe, yellow paint. I hear they scared of it, but them pros ain't. Soon as I hit
Happy homecoming, Trojans. Though all of you can't attend the assembly during 8th hour, you can live stream it at this link in the morning report's description.
By the way, does anyone know what this is all about? Anyways,
The 17th Annual Minority Scholarship Workshop will happen on Saturday, October 9th from 8:30 a.m. till noon right here at Topeka High School in the cafeteria. So if you're interested in attending a post-secondary educational institution, be sure to come learn how to get that money.
remember, senior photos need to be submitted to the yearbook by December 17th. And if you miss picture day, no worries. Picture retakes are October 6th in the art gallery, so mark your calendar.
Trojans, there's still time to bring in canned or dry goods for your Trojan Time for the THS Community Covered Food Drive. The Trojan Time who donates the most food by the end of the month will be rewarded with donuts on October 4th, courtesy of BSU and the Spirit Club. And now to lunch with, oh no,
Not Sierra and Jada.
Hey Siri, what's the weather like outside?
One moment.
Well, wait. Welcome back to What You Eatin'. Today, we're gonna have Primo Pizza, mini corns, and a strawberry kiwi sidekick.
What the was that?
That was complete
Anyways, today you'll be having mini corn dogs
Primo Pizza
and a kiwi strawberry sidekick. And that's what you eatin' on game day!
Freshman tailgate is tonight at 4:30 at Hummer. Freshmen, come, it'll be fun.
And if you're coming to the homecoming dance, remember to bring your ID.
Shout out to the ladies golf team on their collective performance at the THS Invitational. We had 3 who medaled. Keely Rogers took 8th, Selena Gordon placed 7th, and the Morning Report's own Avery Zimmerman took 2nd overall. Just one stroke out of 1st. Yeah, Avery!
And though the tennis team had an off night, McCall Bell took 3rd and number 2 singles.
Congratulations to all the ladies who represent T-High so well.
And this is all we have for you today, Topeka High.
Have a good weekend. See you at the game.
Yeah, and remember, it's always a great day to be a Trojan.
and we out.